Hey y'all, I'm Cristy B, and this is my club, and this is my class, and I'm doing this because it's been my dream to bring funny to Flagler and bring more people to bring funny to Flagler. So I hope you enjoy this show. I hope you enjoy coming to my club. Don't forget me, I'm Cristy B.
Hey, I'm A.L.E. Flores. I've been doing stand-up comedy professionally for 15 years now, and I've been teaching for 8. I love teaching because I want as many people to smile and laugh as possible.
My name is Christine Moore, and I'm a nurse practitioner and owner of All New You in Palm Coast, Florida. And I signed up for comedy classes at Cristy B's because I want to get better at social media.
Hey, I'm Rob Ford, and I'm a comedian and filmographer, and I took the class because Cristy told me I needed to be here.
I'm Alette Wiest. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I came to this comedy class so I could improve my writing skills and my performing skills.
Hi, my name is Steve. I'm taking the comedy class because I want to have a better stage presence for public speaking.
Hi, my name is Lamista, and I joined this class because it's on my bucket list to do stand-up comedy.
My name is Michelle Keefe, and I'm a comedian, and I'm taking the Cristy B Comedy class for inspiration, for reminders of how to write properly. Sometimes writing's the hardest part.
I'm Susan Modest, and I joined the class because I wanted to get better at making people laugh.
Good evening. I'm Ted Watson, and the reason I'm taking this class is because everybody finds me funny, but at the morgue I wasn't so funny.
Oh, dude, I hate my NFLs. Okay, so we're working on your stuff.
And it was stupid that my mother never signed me up for horseback riding lessons because she bought me a riding crop, a helmet, and a book on horseback riding. That's like trying to learn how to ride a bike without a bicycle.
It can be better. There's something that's tighter. There's going to be